कृष्णप्रस्थाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति
Krishna. So I hope you're all enjoying the Rath Yatra so far. We now have a dance to a song called Kere Chanda Janilo Sahi. So the song is Orient, so that's from Orissa. But don't worry if you don't understand the language. We're going to go through the meaning of the song and also the dance moves that go along with it. So your support is very valuable to us. You can clap and sing along if you like. And we'd like everyone to shout Jai Govinda every time you see Krishna kill a demon. So can we test this out now? Can I have a loud Jai Govinda after 3? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Jai Govinda! So this song is all about Krishna, his Leela and his mischief, including the killing of demons like Dhenukasur and Bakasur, the swallowing of the forest fire, and the lifting of Mount Govardhan. So now listen carefully. We're going to go through the meaning of this song. So the main line goes like this. Kere Chanda Janilo Sahi Nandarajaro Tiki Pilati. So Kere Chanda means that he plays many tricks. So Krishna, he's really naughty. He likes to play lots of tricks. Kere Chanda chanda, kere chanda, kere chanda, kere chanda. Then Jani lo sahi, which means he knows everything. In other words, Krishna, he knows every trick in the book. Kere chanda jani lo sahi, kere chanda jani lo sahi, kere chanda jani lo sahi. Then Nanda Rajaro. Nanda Rajaro means that he's the son of Nanda Maharaj. Senanda Rajaro, Nanda Rajaro, Senanda Rajaro, Nanda Rajaro, Senanda Rajaro, Nanda Rajaro. But Tiki Pilati, which means that Krishna is no ordinary child. So why is Krishna not an ordinary child? Because he's the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So Krishna, when he was at home with Mother Yashoda, he would annoy her to get her attention. So sometimes Krishna would pull on Mother Yashoda's hands. Sometimes he would pull on her hair. And mothers are usually engaged in their household activities, so naturally she may get a little annoyed and angry. And sometimes Mother Yashoda is simply amazed by Krishna's wonderful activities. So the next part of the dance is all about the demons that Krishna killed. So little Krishna, he knows no fear. Nakari randaka, nashila ashanka. Nakari randaka, nashila ashanka. Nakari randaka, nashila ashanka. The sight of Krishna's beautiful smiling face, which is smeared with sandalwood pulp, gives pleasure to all of those around him. Chandana patiya chika chamoka, Chandana patiya chika chamoka, Chandana patiya chika chamoka, Chandana patiya chika chamoka. Sakata, Dhenuka, Baka, Dopodari. So Krishna, together with his elder brother Balaram, killed 3 powerful demons, Sakatasur, Dhenukasur, and Bakasur. So these 3 demons, Sakatasur, demon in the form of a cart, Dhenukasur, demon in the form of a donkey, Balaram killed Dhenukasur by grabbing hold of his legs, and then he whirled him around, and then he threw him, Jai Govinda, onto the top of the tree. Bakasur was a demon in the form of a bird. Krishna killed Bakasur by grabbing hold of his beak, and then he killed the demon bird by splitting his beak open into 2. Jai Govinda! And sometimes Mother Yashoda is simply amazed by Krishna's wonderful activities. How can this little baby kill all these demons? And the last line of the song is how Krishna swallowed the whole forest fire. Banara anara giri dilati se banara anara giri dilati se banara anara giri dilati. So here comes part 2 of the dance, and don't forget to shout Jai Govinda every time you see Krishna kill a demon.
চন্দন
So the last part of the dance is all about how Krishna lifted Mount Govardhan. So Indra, who is the demigod of rain, became furious. Indra vivade nirkhatanade, Indra vivade nirkhatanade, Indra vivade nirkhatanade. Indra became so furious that he made pillars of rain fall to the earth. Shila bara sila titamade, Shila bara sila titamade, Shila bara sila titamade. Seeing this, Krishna, in all of his glory, effortlessly lifted Mount Govardhan with his little finger to provide shelter to all of his people in Vrindavan. Dekhi chetahade vina avosade, Dekhi chetahade vina avosade, Dekhi chetahade vina avosade, Mandara giri ki dekhi pilati, Se mandara giri ki dekhi pilati, Se mandara giri ki dekhi pilati. So here's the last part of the dance. Hare Krishna.
Indra vivade nirkhatanade, Indra vivade nirkhatanade, Shila bara sila, Shila bara sila ati pramade, Shila bara sila ati pramade, dekhi chhatahade bina avasade, dekhi chhatahade bina avasade, mandara giri ki, mandara giri ki, mandara giri ki, dekhi thilati, mandara giri ki dekhi thilati, se mandara giri ki dekhi thilati, kire chanda, kire chanda, kire chanda jhani rosabi.
Can you please give them a big, big round of applause? That's Rashmi and Mira, husband and wife. Thank you very much. Fantastic. So I'm just going to invite Nayan and his group